In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the quick selection tool in your favorite photo editing software. This tool is incredibly handy when you need to remove a background or isolate a part of your image quickly and efficiently. Now let's dive right in and explore how you can master this tool with just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to locate the quick selection tool in your toolbar. It might look like a paintbrush with a dotted circle around it. Alternatively, you can access this tool quickly by pressing the W key on your keyboard. Once you've got the tool activated, you're ready to make your selection. Now, with the quick selection tool active, click and gently drag over the area of the background you wish to remove. You'll notice that the selection expands as you drag, outlining the area based on the colors and edges it detects. This is where the beauty of the quick selection tool shines, as it intelligently detects similar tones and textures, making your job a whole lot easier. However, at times the selection might not be perfect. This is common, especially if your image is intricate or complex. But don't worry, refining the selection is a breeze. To refine any rough or imprecise edges, you can use the Subtract from Mask or Add to Mask options. These are usually located directly under your image window and allow you to tweak your selection. If you find you've selected too much, you can subtract areas from your mask. Conversely, if you've missed some spots, you can add them back to your selection. This step is crucial for achieving a clean and professional looking result, so take your time and carefully adjust your selection until you're satisfied with the edges. Once you have made all necessary adjustments and are happy with your selection, now comes the gratifying part, removing the background. Simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This action will erase the selected background area, leaving you with a crisp, isolated object or subject on your canvas. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to remove backgrounds using the quick selection tool. With a bit of practice, you'll find this process becomes almost second nature. Remember, the key to a flawless finish is all in the finesse of refining your selection. Investing a little extra time to perfect your edges will make a significant difference in the final outcome. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be executing these steps like a pro in no time.